Hey, we really need to meet and finish our project report. The deadline is next Monday.
Oh, wow. You're right. I totally forgot about it. When are you free this week?
I have some time tomorrow afternoon. How about Tuesday at 2 p.m.?
Sorry, I can't. I have a dentist appointment then. My teeth are killing me.
Oh no. Okay, what about Wednesday morning at 10?
Wednesday is bad too. I have meetings all day. My calendar is a mess.
You are really busy. All right, let's try Thursday. Are you free after work? Maybe 6 p.m.?
Let me check. Yes, Thursday at 6 p.m. works for me.
Great. Let's meet at the library. It's quiet there.
Actually, the library is closed on Thursday evenings for cleaning.
Really? I didn't know that. Okay, then let's go to the coffee shop next door.
The one with the good donuts?
Yes, that one.
Perfect. Coffee and donuts sounds great.
Awesome. See you Thursday at 6. This is hopeless. My fingers feel like stiff sausages. I keep hitting the wrong keys.
It sounds fine to me. You only started piano lessons last week. Be patient.
That's the problem. I'm already 30. I should have started when I was 5.
Come on. Age is just a number. You always wanted to play the piano. Better late than never.
But those kids online are amazing. I'll never be that good. It feels like a waste of time.
You're not doing this to be a professional. You're doing it for fun. Do you enjoy it?
I guess I do. I like the sound. It helps me relax after work.
Exactly. Imagine if you never tried. You'd always regret it.
You're right. If I quit now, I'll never learn.
So keep practicing. Even slowly is okay. Better late than never.
All right. I'll try the song one more time. But please cover your ears. I'm completely exhausted. I can't believe we shopped until 9 p.m.
Same here. These bags are so heavy. We should head home soon. The last train leaves in an hour.
I know, but I'm starving. I feel a little dizzy.
That's not good. There's a fast food place across the street. Let's grab a bite.
Fast food? Will it take long? We don't have time for a slow dinner.
Don't worry, it's quick and casual. We can order at the counter.
Do they have anything hot? It's getting cold.
They have amazing toasted sandwiches and hot soup.
Hot soup sounds perfect. You convinced me.
Great. We'll eat fast and run to the station.
Lead the way. My stomach is growling so loud. Finally, it's Friday night. I'm ready to go out. Any plans?
Not really. I just want to do something fun.
We have 2 options, the new cinema downtown or the bowling alley near the park.
Bowling sounds active, but a movie sounds relaxing. I honestly can't decide.
You have to choose this time. I always make the plans.
I'm too tired to think. I trust you. It's up to you.
That's a lot of pressure. Remember last time I chose the restaurant?
That was different. Just pick something simple. I won't complain.
Okay, then we're going bowling.
Nice choice. But you have to drive.
Deal, but I choose the music.
Fair enough. Let's go.
You've been in the kitchen for almost 2 hours now. Is dinner ready yet, or should I order food?
Relax. Good food takes time. I'm making a gourmet meal tonight. It's going to be amazing.
A gourmet meal? That sounds dangerous. Are you sure you don't need help?
No help needed. I've got everything under control.
That's what she said last time. And last time we ordered pizza at midnight.
That was different. I didn't plan properly. This time, I followed a cooking video step by step.
I hope so. What are you making exactly?
A perfect roast chicken with vegetables. Honestly, it's a piece of cake.
Cooking chicken is not a piece of cake. Are you sure the oven temperature is right?
Of course it is. I checked it twice. Everything is going exactly according to plan.
Okay, but wait a second. Do you smell that?
Smell what?
That smell! It doesn't smell like food. It smells like smoke.
Smoke? Now, no, that's just the spices cooking.
Tom, I think something is burning.
Burning? That's impossible. Oh no, the oven.
I told you, open it.
Okay, don't panic.
It's literally smoking.
Oh wow, this is bad. Very bad.
What happened to the gourmet meal?
The chicken is completely black, and the vegetables, they're just ash.
So dinner is officially ruined?
Yes, I think we can safely say that.
I'm hungry and disappointed.
I'm sorry, I really thought this would be easy.
You said it was a piece of cake.
Clearly, I was wrong. Cooking is harder than it looks.
So what's plan B?
Plan B is simple. Ham and cheese sandwiches.
Honestly, that sounds perfect right now.
See? I can't mess that up.
Good choice. Making a sandwich really is a piece of cake.
Please stop laughing and pass me the mayonnaise.
Only if you promise to never cook roast chicken again.
Deal.
Wow, this place is unbelievable. Just look at that lake. The water is so clear.
I told you you'd love it. It's hard to believe we're only 2 hours away from the city.
It feels like another world. Back home, everything is noisy and crowded.
Exactly. No traffic, no horns, no sirens.
And no emails. My phone hasn't buzzed once.
That's the best part. Out here, work doesn't exist.
For someone as stressed as me, this feels too good to be true. I can actually hear my own thoughts.
Take a deep breath. Slowly. Smell the air.
It smells so fresh, like pine trees and clean water.
Not car exhaust, not coffee and stress.
I didn't realize how tired I was until now. My shoulders finally feel relaxed.
That's what nature does. It forces you to slow down.
The lake looks like a mirror. The mountains look like a painting.
Sometimes I think places like this aren't real. They feel like a screensaver.
I could honestly stay here forever. No alarms, no meetings.
No tiny cubicles, no deadlines.
The sun feels warm but not too hot, and the breeze is perfect.
Yeah, this weather is amazing. I really don't want to go back on Monday.
Don't say that word. Monday doesn't exist right now.
You're right. Today is only about this moment.
Let's just sit here for a while. No talking, just listening.
Listening to what?
The water, the wind, the birds.
That sounds nice. I don't remember the last time I heard birds.
In the city, everything is always rushing. Here, time feels slower.
Slower is better sometimes.
Even sitting here doing nothing feels special.
Funny how doing nothing can feel like everything.
I keep waiting for something to go wrong. That's how my brain works.
That's stress talking. Nothing is wrong.
I know, but it still feels too good to be true.
Well, look around. Touch the ground. It's real.
You're right. This is real.
And we have the whole weekend. No rushing.
2 full days of peace.
Let's enjoy every second.
Deal. This is exactly what I needed.